Hi guys, unbox naman natin yung akin. Gabi na, nagkakape pa. Yan. Unbox natin tong yung sa akin naman. Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2. Dapat ng Monday pa to. Umabot na tayo ng Wednesday. Tinamad. October pa to in order eh. January 7. January 7 na ngayon. Ang tagal dumating. Maganda to kasi transition to. Ayan siya. Merong cleaning cloth. Get started. Mga instructions. Warranty. Parang may 1-year warranty ata to. Ito na siya guys. Si Daddy nag-unbox na yung sa kanya eh. Ito naman yung sa akin. Ayan siya. Baby, look at Mommy oh. Mommy's unboxing. Wow, ang cute. Akala ko black yung in-order ko. Bakit color gray yung dumating? Color gray siya in person. Bakit color gray yung dumating?
Mommy,
Yes, bebe.
it's like I was sitting here before.
I put it on the other side, anak. It's on top of the bin. On the other side. There, anak, there. Near the laundry. Yan. Bakit color gray siya? Alam ko black yung in-order ko. It's on top of the lid of the bin. Ayan ako. I'll show you. I think it's here. There. Wait lang na. Mommy's unboxing. Bakit color gray yung dumating? Sabi ko color black. Color gray. Pero dapat transition to. Bakit sa video kasi hindi ako naka-ring light, color black siya. Okay na din. Pwede na rin. Tapos rechargeable siya. Yan. Excited na ako gamitin to. Bakit color gray? Black yung in-order ko. Kaya mo na, okay lang. Parang cat eye. Cat's eye. Yun lang.